This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iOS 17 update paused or not updating issue on iPhone. The first solution is give a simple restart. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So all you have to do is just restart your iPhone, turn off your iPhone and turn it back off after 1 or 2 minutes, and then go to your iPhone settings and tap on display and brightness. Scroll down, tap on auto lock and select never. After successfully updating iOS 17, you can select auto lock 30 seconds or 1 minute, and then go to your general and go to software update. And before updating the iOS 17, make sure to use a high-speed internet connection. If you're using a poor internet connection, it may be the reason of your facing update paused issue. So use a strong internet connection and also plug the charging cable and charge your iPhone. Then try to reinstall the iOS 17 and hope the solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.